Are you struggling with cracks in your walls or an unstable foundation? It can be daunting to face the problems of structural damage, whether in your residential or commercial building. Many people don't realize just how these issues can become. Ignoring signs like shifting floors or water intrusion can lead to more significant damage and costly repairs down the line. Outdated structures can not only compromise your safety but can also decrease your property's value. Our expert team specializes in commercial and residential structural repair. We use advanced techniques and high-quality materials to address any issues, ensuring your property becomes safer and more resilient. Whether it's stabilizing a foundation, repairing cracks, or waterproofing your basement, we're here to help you take control of your property's future. Our dedicated professionals will conduct a thorough inspection and guide you through every step of the repair process. With us, you'll not only regain your property's strength but also enhance its overall value. Take action today. Contact us now for a free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.